Okay, hello there, Informed Beauties. Your girl Euniycemari here, and so today we're going to talk all about my nails. Yes, I want to share with you guys my experience with this nail salon, and just how impressed that I am. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Euniycemari, and my channel is all about informative beauty, from skincare, hair care, makeup, DIYs, all that fun stuff. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on the post notification bell so you're notified when I upload. And if you like what I do here on this channel, give your girl a big thumbs up and share me with the world. So let's get on into this, right? I have some notes. Alright, so first let's talk about the history of these nails of mine. So my nails, naturally, they grow pretty long. They can get pretty long naturally, but after a certain time, they do break off. I dabbled in press-on nails. You guys seen that here. I dabbled in acrylic nails. You guys have seen that here. And the only problem with me and artificial nails that I've had, especially acrylic, number one, they don't last long. I think about second week they're broken, or one's popped off, or they look just horrible, like they've grown out horribly. And so I was never ever like convinced to go back and to get it done again or consistently, because I'm not gonna be going back every 2 weeks to get my nails done. Also, I mean, the price of acrylic nails has went up, of course. It's just like, I used to pay like $22 back in the day for like a full set. Now it's like 40 bucks for a full set, and it's still the same quality. Like, I still feel like they don't last any longer, okay? But then again, it all depends on the technician as well who is doing your nails. Hold on one second. My memory card is full. I'll be right back. Hold on. Okay, so let's jump into like my experiences with going to regular nail salons. And these are regular nail salons that may be like in your neighborhood. They do like the waxing and all that. The only other problem that I had with going to these nail salons is that I felt like they were always rushed, or they are always rushed. I feel like when you walk in there, there's probably like 3 people ahead of you, and then you walk in there and then there's like 5 people after you. And when I sit down with the nail tech, I always feel like it's a rushed game. Like that person doesn't have enough time to either put enough effort into my nails, or because they don't run off like an appointment situation. Most nail salons you can walk into and whatever, they'll take you even if they have like 4 people ahead of you, if you're willing to wait. But most technicians, I feel like at that point, they're just more so like, let's get the nails on, let's get you out the door, let's make the money. There's not really that they really don't take their time, I feel. And that's just my experience. Maybe you may feel different. So between like them not lasting long, between like I feel like you're being rushed, it just wasn't worth me going in and spending 40 bucks every 2 weeks for something that's gonna pop off, break, crack, whatever. And not to mention, after I get my nails, after I take off the acrylic, my nails are fucking atrocious. My nails they take about a year or so to get back to their natural state. Okay, so those are a few things that just really, when it comes to acrylics, I was like, no. So I like to get my nails done around the holiday time. So I like to go and get at least a set done for the holiday time so that my nails look really good. This time I was like, you know what? I really want to look for something that is going to last me long term. I don't want to go and get a set done and it's going to last me about 2 weeks and they're going to start to break, look dull, look crazy, and then I have to take them off and try to revamp my whole nail, okay? And nail polishes, before you guys even go there like, oh, just polish your nails, I could never ever not get my nails to not chip. It doesn't matter what polish I use, and because what I do for work, waxing and all that, my nail polish was trashed after the first day of putting them on. Okay, so that was out the window. All right, so I was doing my research and I came across gel nails. Now, I've heard a lot about gel nails previously. I've heard that they last a lot longer. So I was like, let me see about gel nails and how they work and what they do. So within my research, I came across Lak Nails. And before we go on, Lak Nails does not know that I am doing this video. I am not sponsored by them or anything of that sort. I purely enjoy their service, okay? So I came in, I discovered Lak Nails while I was Googling some places, and I went and looked at their Instagram, and I saw amazing work done by the girls. I looked at their website. They use a lot of natural ingredients. They do not use any acrylic at all, but they have like pedicures, and they do gel manicures, and they do the builder gel, and they do executive builder. They do like a whole list of things. You can get different types of pedicures and all that. And I was like, okay, so I was like, oh, that sounds good. Let me check out the price. Now, for what I got, I think it's $70 for a full set. 70 or 80 bucks when you first go for a full set. And yes, I was like, that's a little bit steep. I don't know if I want to pay that much money for nails. You know what I'm saying? Like, I've never ever in my life paid that much money for nails. But I was looking at a lot of the reviews, at a lot of other people, what they were saying, and they said they last long, they said they look great after a while. So I was like, okay, bite the bullet, make an appointment. Okay, so what I ended up getting when I first went in, well, let's just talk about my experience when I first went in. So when I first went in, I went in on a weekday, and there was like nobody in there. You guys, it was amazing to me because usually when you go to a nail salon, it's like madhouse. But this nail salon, there was like no one in there. It was like pretty chill, pretty quiet. I like that though, because I feel like I can get in, get my service done, and it's not rushed, or it's not like, I like when I'm the only one in the salon, or it's me and like one other customer in the salon. I don't know, I just like it that way. So the atmosphere was really great. The girl in the front was really great. When I first met Mary Carmen is her name, she was amazing, and I will leave the link down below and locations and all that of Lak Nails so you guys can actually look at them for yourselves. But I just like the overall just environment of it. It was really chill. They had TVs, music. It was great. Okay, and so my first appointment that I had, and I will also insert pictures of my nails, my first set of nails here for you guys. I was amazed the way that they looked. They were very lightweight. Mary Carmen is very skilled in what she does. That girl puts a lot, woman puts a lot of detail into the nail. A lot of detail, a lot of time. And also when you make an appointment, you do get like, I think, is it like an hour and a half or something? Like the technician gets like an hour and a half or so to put in time on your nails. And that really, to me, made a difference, because I'm like, I want someone who is going to put in the time. If you're going to spend money, that much money to get your nails done, I want them to have enough time to put into me and not rush me because they have five other people behind me or whatnot. So the fact that they do have a window slot with appointments to actually take their time to get your nails done, that was another thing that I really did enjoy. I enjoyed the fact that Mary Carmen, she is very, very detailed. She double checked with me on what I wanted as far as when it came to shape, and she, you know, really, you know, just the detail of how she filed and how she looked at, like, all that mattered. Like, it may not mean a lot to other people, but it means a lot to me. I'm a very detailed person, and so I like when somebody else is detailed in what they do, because that just shows me that you're actually putting in the work. Okay, so that was on the 30th of October. So that was my first set. All right, and I paid 80 bucks or 70 or 80 bucks to get it done. I had a very nice natural tone. The shape was right. Mary Carmen did an amazing job. Okay, so I went along my 3 weeks. I think I did 4 weeks the first time, and or was it 3 weeks the first time? But my nails weren't that grown out. But I did 3 weeks before I went to go see her again. I got so many compliments on my nails. It was crazy how many people liked my nails, and that's the first. I was like, usually when I have acrylics, I don't get that many compliments, but they were lightweight. I got gel polish on them, so they were shiny. They just looked really natural. Loved them. So I was like, okay, I'm going in for a fill. So I went in for a fill. The process was pretty quickly. Mary Carmen did an amazing job. I'll put a picture of my second nails here, and like the shape was good, everything was good. They lasted long, nothing popped off, anything like that. And I was like, okay, 4 weeks went by, and I was like, okay, I'm going back again. And I went back again, and I got this set. Okay, now this is where I really want to actually get into the conversation of why I really do like gel nails, and also to the place Lak Nails. but I really want to get into why gel nails has been like the best thing for me. This, I think, is almost over 4 weeks. Mary Carmen's on a little bit of a vacay, but we're gonna catch her next week on Tuesday. But this is my hand. If you guys can see, my nails are obviously grown out. Make sure you guys can see that. And then this is my left hand. My nails are so grown out. Wait, focus, focus. Can you see them? Like how they're super grown out here. Let me focus this, hold on. Okay, how my nails are super grown out here, right? Now, the thing that scares me when your nails start to grow out this far is that they're gonna pop off, or that they're gonna break off, or they're gonna start lifting. When I tell you guys, these nails have not lifted, they have not cracked, they have not budged, nothing. Like they are, they're on, like they are not moving. And I'm like, what? If it was acrylics by now, all these nails would have been popped off. You get what I'm saying? And so I see her on Tuesday, but just the fact that these bad boys, they last this long, like I'm completely sold. And I think that it's not just the gel, but it's also the technician. If a technician is doing an amazing job on applying a nail, it's going to last you for some time, okay? And this is what my nails look like underneath. They're grown out quite a bit. They're probably a little dirty, sorry. But my natural nail is grown out a lot underneath my own, under the builder gel. But I really have to give it to her, as in, you know, technique as well. Like, it's all about what you're using and technique with that. So I am just really amazed. They look really natural. People always tell me they look really natural, and I just am in love with the fact that how they're lasting, they're uniform, they're not misshapen. Like the nail, there's a whole thing to it when you build a nail, and like the nail is built beautifully. Like she does an amazing job, okay? So if you want to know how much it is for a fill, fills are 50 bucks, and then if you get gel polish, that's additional $20. I personally do get gel polish because of what I do. I wax, my hands are always doing everything, and look, my nail polish still looks amazing. It doesn't look weird, it's still shiny. So for me, gel polish is worth it. Also too, my nails underneath are really strong. They look healthy, they don't look brittle or anything of that sort. I feel like my nail is a lot healthier and can breathe more under gel than acrylic. That's just how I feel. But you guys, that's it. I'm not going to ramble on too much about this, but I just wanted to share with you guys my experience with gel nails, and they really have changed my life. And it's something that I feel if you have not gotten around to trying gel nails, definitely give them a try. They will change your life. I will leave all links down below about everything I talk, Lak Nails, all of that. Go check them out. They are bomb.com. And also, you guys, if you want to know how I care for my nails at home, my gel nails at home in between my services, I will do a complete video on that. Just comment down below if you're interested in seeing that. But thank you so much for watching. This is your girl Euniycemari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And I will see you guys in a later video.